One health issue that's increasingly common in both the United States and the United Kingdom is general body weakness, whether it manifests as physical fatigue or nervous exhaustion. This condition has a variety of root causes, and while many people are aware of their symptoms, few understand the actual reasons behind them or how to manage them naturally and effectively. One major contributing factor is the quality of diet. In many parts of the world, especially in busy urban centers, dietary standards have fallen far below the ideal. Processed foods, lack of essential nutrients, and poor eating habits have become the norm. In addition to this, mental stress has become a daily struggle for many. People experience anxiety even over small inconveniences, and this chronic stress directly impacts physical health. Furthermore, our environment, particularly the air we breathe, is laden with toxins and pollutants, all of which silently sap our energy and vitality over time. Another major factor is poor sleep. Despite increasing awareness about the importance of rest, a significant number of people either do not get enough sleep or suffer from disturbed, low-quality sleep. While some try to compensate for this weakness through multivitamins, changes in diet, or even pharmaceutical appetite stimulants, very few people realize that a simple yet highly effective remedy can be prepared at home using natural ingredients. This remedy is not only easy to make, but also works gently and holistically to improve both physical strength and nervous system health. This natural tonic can be taken once or twice a day, depending on the severity of your weakness. If your condition is mild, once a day is enough. For more pronounced weakness, taking it twice a day is recommended. With regular use, this remedy can gradually eliminate fatigue and restore energy levels. The ingredients are easily available in markets, herbal stores, or online platforms. To prepare this natural remedy, you will need 3 well-known herbs that have been traditionally used in natural medicine, particularly in Ayurvedic healing practices. These are Withania somnifera, commonly known as Ashwagandha, Asparagus racemosus, also called Shatavari, and Phyllanthus emblica, which you might know as Amla or Indian gooseberry. These herbs are widely respected for their unique healing properties and can easily be found in health stores or online in most countries, including the USA and the UK. Withania somnifera, or ashwagandha, is a powerful adaptogenic herb, meaning it helps the body cope with physical and mental stress. It supports healthy adrenal function, enhances stamina, and promotes a calm, focused mind. It's especially beneficial for people dealing with anxiety, chronic fatigue, or hormonal imbalances. For this remedy, you'll need the root of this plant in powdered form, which is readily available commercially and easy to use. Asparagus racemosus, or Shatavari, is a deeply nourishing herb known for its ability to strengthen the body's internal systems. It's particularly valued for supporting the nervous system, boosting immune function, and promoting vitality. Traditionally, it comes in the form of dried root sticks, but it is also sold as a fine powder, which is more convenient for mixing. If you only find the root sticks, you can simply grind them into a fine powder using a grinder or food processor. Phyllanthus emblica, also known as Amla or Indian gooseberry, is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C and has strong antioxidant properties. It helps detoxify the body, enhances digestion, supports liver function, and boosts the immune system. In this remedy, Amla is used in powdered form as well. You can either buy it pre-powdered or purchase the dried fruit pieces and grind them at home. Once you've gathered all 3 ingredients in powdered form, the preparation is quick and simple. Take equal quantities of each, such as 50 grams, 100 grams, or more of each herb, depending on how much you want to prepare. Mix all the powders thoroughly until the blend is completely uniform. Store the mixture in a clean, dry, airtight glass jar to preserve its potency. If kept in a cool, dark place and sealed properly, the blend will remain fresh and effective for up to 5 to 6 months. This mixture serves as a balanced, natural tonic that supports multiple systems in the body. Each of the herbs complements the others, creating a synergistic effect that helps restore energy, reduce fatigue, and build both physical and mental resilience over time. The dosage is straightforward. Take 1 teaspoon daily with lukewarm water or milk. If your weakness is mild, take it once a day. If your condition is more serious, take 1 teaspoon twice a day. Over time, this blend will start to replenish your body's energy, improve your mental clarity, and help regulate stress responses more effectively. It works gently but powerfully, without causing any side effects for most individuals. However, it's important to note that this remedy is not suitable for everyone. Pregnant women should avoid it due to the potent nature of the herbs involved. People dealing with autoimmune disorders or severe gastrointestinal ulcers should also steer clear, as these herbs may aggravate certain conditions. Similarly, those with significant thyroid imbalances should consult a healthcare provider before starting any herbal supplementation. For most healthy individuals, though, this is a safe and reliable option. You can use it continuously for 2 to 3 months, then take a break of a month or so before resuming if needed. Even individuals engaged in high-intensity physical activity, such as athletes or those with labor-intensive jobs, will find that it enhances endurance and overall energy levels. Numerous studies highlight the benefits of Withania somnifera, commonly known as Ashwagandha. Research in the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine shows Ashwagandha improves energy levels and reduces stress. Asparagus racemosus or Shatavari is also beneficial. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found Shatavari enhances physical endurance and boosts immune function. Phyllanthus emblica, known as Amla, is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, aiding in combating fatigue and enhancing vitality. These testimonials and studies reflect the potential of this natural remedy to improve your quality of life. By integrating these powerful herbs into your routine, you can experience a significant boost in energy and well-being. This home remedy can transform your well-being. It's a natural way to restore balance to body and mind. If you feel drained or sluggish, this might be the solution. Share this with family and friends so they can benefit too. Wishing you and your loved ones continued health and strength. Remember, small changes can lead to big improvements in your energy levels. Take a moment each day to enjoy this natural remedy and feel the difference. Thank you for watching. We hope you find this remedy as beneficial as we do. Wishing you a life full of energy and happiness. Take care.